Hello traders, this video is about technical analysis of Caterpillar's Epic CAT Caterpillar, okay, Epic CAT listed on the Dow 30, okay. We are looking on the daily chart of Caterpillar, okay, and what do we see? We see a clear-cut uptrend. We cannot deny that, okay, a clear-cut uptrend, okay, for Caterpillar. As you can see, okay, as soon as you see a clear-cut uptrend, okay, you will draw your channel. Very important, okay. If the price is in a clear-cut uptrend, the price is likely to continue the movement in a clear defined channel, okay. So I'm trying to draw on this charting software my channel, okay. And after you draw your channel, because the price in the uptrend, do not forget also, you know the drill now, to draw your middle line, okay. The dividing line between the bulls and the bear is the middle line. Very important. So that's it. That's what we see now. The price still in the channel, coming to the edge of the channel here. With some trader will place order here to buy. We know that. Going into the mind of other traders, we know that some traders, some aggressive trader will definitely place order here to buy. Also, if you are day trading, you watch carefully this zone, waiting for the TSTW24. If you see on the first best time frame of the TSTW24 the information to buy, you know, from the first best time frame, you will take part into it, because this is a support zone. If you want to trade, you want to locate first the hot spot trading zone where you can enter the trade. Very important. This is a hot spot trading zone. This was a hot spot trading zone. This was a hot spot trading zone. This was a hot spot trading zone. And this zone was a hot spot trading zone. This was a hot spot trading zone. These are also a decision zone. So you want to enter the trade at a decision zone. At a decision zone or hotspot trading zone, you are likely to see a high volume. You do not want to trade something that is very slow. You want to see traders exiting the trade and other traders entering the trade, creating a congestion of volume, high volume. And then you are making your decision at a hotspot trading zone. But do not forget, you are trading first the market, because the mistake that traders are making, they go and look at one particular stock like this one, and they will make the decision and say, okay, I receive a signal to buy. If you receive a signal here to buy, the next thing you need to look at is the Dow Jones. Okay, the index Dow Jones, the S&P 500. If the S&P 500 is about to go down, you step aside and look instead for candidate to sell, because you want to trade in a harmony with the market. We know that this Caterpillar is a leader in the market of Dow Jones, in the sector of Dow Jones. So if it's moving the same direction with Dow Jones, that will be excellent. But if you see Dow Jones giving a buy signal and this one giving a sell signal, we need to be careful on that particular day, because we may have a consolidation day, because the leader and the market are in conflict. So you need to be very careful if you see a leading stock being in conflict with the sector in which, okay, that leading stock is. So if we see Caterpillar be in conflict with the Dow Jones, we will ask more questions to find out why this is happening. Okay, maybe this is due to a fundamental reason, checking the balance sheet of Caterpillar or checking other information to know why the leader of the sector is in conflict with the sector itself. Okay, so because normally the leaders in the sector will move in the same direction like the sector. Sometimes you will see that the Dow Jones give a signal to sell, and you look at the leaders are giving a signal to buy. And the next day you see that the Dow Jones completely will disregard the sell signal and turn around and follow the leaders, because the leaders are element or component of the Dow 30. So if the leaders are moving up, they will drag the whole sector together with them, unless there is a fundamental reason why we must have a divergence between the leader and the major indices. Okay, very important. So when you are looking also on the daily chart, that's why you see this one particular picture. Do not make that mistake of making your trading decision on one particular time frame. It's completely wrong. It's completely wrong. Okay, it's completely, unless you have tools that will inform you as the TSCW24, the first best time frame, is designed in a way to reveal to the trader from the first best time frame the cycle of the day. Okay, even though we are on a lower time frame, we know that if the cycle, we have a strong downtrend on the first best time frame of the TSCW24, the cycle of the day is down. So you do not trade against the cycle of the day if you are a day trader. This is for the TSTW24 traders. Okay, so now we look on it. This is what we see. So what can you say about that? A price in the uptrend, that's what people will go and buy anyhow. Or sometimes people will use the stochastic anyhow, because stochastic oversold, buy, stochastic overbought, sell. That's completely wrong. The price is the number one indicator. Now what do we do with this information? We will go to the weekly chart. You know the drill now. Same thing. That's how we do our preparation for swing trading and also for day trading, locating the hot spot trading zone, trading in harmony with the market. You must always pay attention to the market. This is what we see now on the weekly chart. Similar picture again. The price is in a clear-cut uptrend again. Okay, clear-cut uptrend again. Okay, there was this channel first. Okay, you see this channel. Okay, the price was in this channel, and then the price there was a high speed, as you can see. Do not stop to draw your line. Do not be afraid to draw your line. And the price was speed up. Okay, it create another channel which is a faster channel. Do not be afraid to draw your channel. So if you come out of the small channel here, there's a support level here. You see this level here. Okay, that will be a support level. But again, there is another what we call the static resistance zone and support level here. So it was a resistance zone before, now it became a support level. So you see here, it became a support level here. A resistance can become a support level. That's what we see here. The price break it and retest it here and continue movement to the outside. As soon as the price break this level, we start doing our exercise of drawing the channel. You see, you start drawing your channel. You see, there was this channel here first, projection to the other side, exactly there. So the price came out of the channel. It's just simple with this charting. You can count the boxes, 1, 2, 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, and you are somewhere again in the zone projection of your channel to the other side. You see, it's not by mistake that the price retested this level here. We are now near the top of this third channel somewhere here, but we cannot draw that because there's no space here. So we are now stuck at this level here. This is what we see on the weekly chart, still showing an uptrend, but we are the edge of this channel, this small channel here. We are the edge of it. That's why some traders sold it down this week. Okay, this is a technical analysis regarding a Caterpillar, one of the leader in the Dow 30. Okay, we will now move on. Okay, looking at the higher time frame, because the stable data is that the higher time frame commands the lower time frame. Now I've already drawn on this monthly chart. This is the pitchfork tool. I draw it with my hand. I didn't draw it with another tool. I just draw it here through the middle of this movement from here down to here. So I locate one pivot level here and I join it with the middle point of this movement from here to down. That's how you draw the pitchfork tool. So I draw it here. You see the price went through, and I draw the parallel line to this middle line here, and this is where we are now. You see how the price did touch exactly the edge of this upper channel here, exactly there. You see, exactly there. Okay, so this is a very important zone that this Caterpillar is now. If you break this line here and come back pop up below this level here, that will be completely bearish. So the level that the hot spot trading zone that you must pay attention to for this Caterpillar is this level of 110. Okay, if it goes below the 110, we will be looking for opportunity to sell. So if the TSTWSY 008 trading system, or the TSTWSY 08, or the TSTW24 trading system, the TSTW stands for trading system that work, give you a clear-cut signal to sell here, you will take it. And same thing, if you give you a signal to buy, you will buy. Try to play it both ways, to not assume one direction. So you are not just bullish, you are both bearish and bullish. Never be completely bullish, never be completely bearish either. Be both, because the market can do whatever you want to do, but you want to take a clear-cut signal at a hot spot, a trading zone. This is a technical analysis regarding Caterpillar, paying attention to the direction of the market, the sector, and also the leaders in the market, going from the daily chart, weekly chart, and the monthly chart using the TSTWSY08, the TSTWSY008, and the TSTW24 trading system. We are not ordinary traders. We are traders that are trading like professional traders using tools that completely respect the price, the number one indicator. Thank you for watching, and speak to you very soon.